Hey guys, this is Ty here with another unboxing video for Amcrest, and today we're looking at our most popular pan-tilt zoom camera, the IP4M-1041B. This affordable Pro HD camera features a stunning 4 megapixel resolution camera featuring enhanced low light visibility, and it can cover a lot of ground with its wide 90-degree viewing angle and 360-degree remote pan tilt. This Pro HD indoor camera comes with a built-in speaker and microphone, as well as flexible storage options including NVR, cloud, or an SD card. Now this is the classic indoor camera. With its unique ability to pan 360 degrees, it's certainly the most versatile indoor camera. Of course, it can be mounted on a wall or ceiling in any room, allowing you to see everything. But it can also be very effective when simply placed on a table in a good location, making it one of the easiest cameras to set up. Now there's a lot of ways you can use this camera. A lot of times we see customers use this as a baby monitor, or maybe they want to watch their pets. Some people use it just to watch the area in front of their front door, or maybe in their garage watching the inside. And even though this is an indoor camera, some customers install these outside in covered protected areas, allowing them to safely watch their driveway or their backyard. Okay, so I've gone ahead and connected this camera to both a power source and an Ethernet source, giving it both power and internet connection. So we're going to go ahead and set up the camera using the Amcrest Refill app. So after you've installed the app, we're going to go ahead and open it. And in the top right corner, we're going to press that button and then select Add Device. Then we're going to select Wi-Fi camera, and then Ethernet Wi-Fi setup. And we are using the Ethernet setup option for this Wi-Fi camera. And we prefer the Ethernet method as it is much more reliable as a setup method compared to just normal Wi-Fi. We're going to press next again, and then it's going to ask us to scan the QR code, which is right here on the back of the camera. We'll press next, give the camera name, press next. And it's going to show us our Wi-Fi networks, and we want to make sure to choose the correct network that we already connected to. Put in the password for that. And press next. And there you go, successfully connected. And then it will ask us to change your password, and it's always important to make sure you change your password to something secure. There you go, password modification successful. And here it is. There you go. So if you have any questions about this model, or if you have this camera and you're having problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.